Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back finally with a tutorial, kind of get ready with me today, and it is going to be on this look that I am wearing, and it's basically a natural matte look. I know this isn't your most natural matte look you've ever seen, but this is kind of my version of it, just because some would say that I wear a lot of makeup on a daily, so this is kind of like my toned down, I guess, version of what a natural matte look would be to me. I really enjoyed the outcome of the whole look. The reason why I wanted to do this video was because I wanted to showcase this palette by Too Faced. This is the natural matte palette. This was actually one of my favorite palettes before I believe they reformatted the whole packaging as well as some of the shadows. I'll go into a little bit more detail on my whole tutorial. So very excited for you guys to see how it is that I got this look. I know I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a really long time, but like I said, I want to start just giving you guys a lot more videos, and I want you guys to see more content from me. So don't forget to follow me on all of my other social medias like Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. I always link all of them down below, so go ahead and check that out as well. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and go on to the tutorial. So for our natural matte look, which it's obviously not going to be natural, let's just start with that because my eyebrows are red, so that's not natural at all, but that's just me. So I'm going to tone it down from what I usually do, but it's still going to be pretty full coverage, but it's still going to be a natural matte look, if that makes sense. So today for the primer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock primer, and I actually just got this primer, so this is gonna be my first time trying it out, and what better way than for this natural matte look. And I am going to start with my face first, just because if I start with my eyes, I'm gonna take forever, and I'm kind of in a time crunch, and I feel like when I usually do my face first, it comes out less full coverage. And I'm just gonna put it on my nose first, because that's where I usually get oily, as well as my forehead, but I'm still gonna put it pretty much everywhere. And then my forehead. Hopefully this mattifies my forehead. I'm not gonna lie, my forehead is so oily. I did mattify my skin as much as it could, so I like that without like drying it out. For my foundation, I'm going to be using a little bit of my Kat Von D foundation, just because I know this is very full coverage and it does mattify my skin. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. I'm going to go ahead and mix it with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm in 222 and this one, but I think it's a little bit too dark, so that's also why I'm mixing it with this, just because it's lighter than this one. So what I usually do, I mean, if you've been watching my tutorials from like a while ago, I just dot a little bit all over my face, and then if I need more, I usually just apply more, but this usually does it. And I think the mixture of this is a good color for me right now. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. First, I'm just going to go ahead and put some orange corrector. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in 20 Sand. This is usually how much I put. Actually, maybe a little bit more, so. Then I'm just going to blend this on my under eye, as well as I'm going to bring it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye with the Kat Von D translucent powder. You guys know this is my favorite, but I'm going to set my face with something else. So the rest of my face, I'm going to be setting it with the Fit Me loose powder in 20 light medium. And oh my god, you guys, one of my best friends, Natalie, told me about this. This is so freaking amazing, and it makes your face look super matte and smooth. Like, if you guys haven't tried this, you guys definitely need to check this out. It's so freaking good. I was shook the day that I used it. I even had to text her. That's how shook I was. tell me this is not the smoothest skin you've ever seen. I haven't set my eyes because I am going to be using a special palette. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. I actually did have this palette before. I don't know if they reformatted the shadows, but I do know that the packaging has changed. So look at how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And I just want to go ahead and tell you guys that Too Faced actually did contact me to send me this palette. They just contacted me asking me what was my favorite Too Faced product, and this one has been one of my favorite Too Faced products since I got it about like 3 years ago, maybe a little bit more, but this is just what the palette looks like. I did have the other one. I don't have it anymore just because I gave it to my boyfriend's little sister. Look at this beauty. I wanted to go ahead and make a video just focusing on this eyeshadow palette as well as just the skin and everything, so I thought this would be perfect for this look. So I was really excited to receive this. It just looks really pretty, and it looks bigger than the one that I used to have. I believe the eyeshadows are a little bit bigger as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyes with the shadow called Heaven. I believe I also do have like an eyeshadow tutorial using this palette like a long time ago, so I'll try to find it and link it down below just for shits and giggles. It actually smells really good. I don't remember if mine smelled like this, but it sort of has like this coconut smell. I'm going to go ahead and just get the color Lace Teddy just as first color, just to put on my crease. It is going to be more of a natural look, of course, because we are going with a natural matte look, but we still will be able to see the colors. So then right on top of that, with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and just put the color Less is More, which in this case, that's what we're going for. I'm just going to put that on the crease. I think this is better. And I'm gonna go ahead and just grab, I'm gonna go in with the color Sexpert and Cleavage. Mix those two together, and I'm just gonna get deeper into my crease with those colors. Smoky effect. Okay, so I'm going ahead and just further blending the two together, just like in the kind of like a fading effect. And it doesn't look too harsh. I think those are the only colors that I'm going to do just so I can keep it on the natural matte look. And I'm going to go ahead and use a lid color. So for that, I am going to use Nude Goals. So Nude Goals is more like a pinky nude, and I'm just going to put that on the lid. I think I might mix it a little bit with Heaven as well, just to give it more of like a neutral effect and not so much of like pink. Just going to put some wing liner and lashes. I know that's not very natural, but that's just me. I love wing liner and lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that really quick, and we'll finish up with the face. Okay, so I am back. I have lashes on. I put a little bit of eyeshadow under my lash line and some mascara on my lower lash line as well. So I am all ready to finish up my face. For my bronzer today, I'm going to go ahead and be using this color right here, and this is from Makeup Geek. Color is in Complicated. This isn't gonna be perfect or anything. It wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get that Maybelline powder and just go ahead and just carve the bottom of it just a little bit, not too much. Going with my contour color, I'm going to be using one of my favorites. This is the Hula Bronzer by Benefit. I debated whether I wanted to do a highlight or not, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and skip the highlight just to give you an all matte look. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my blush. The blush that I'm going to be using is the Balm Beach blush by The Balm. And it's just this pretty matte mauve color. Just put that right on top of that contour shade. It was so weird because I usually obviously do a highlight on top of that, but I think it's cute. It's cute. I like it. And now on to lips. Okay, so I went ahead and took off the lip gloss, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this Wet n Wild gel lip liner, and this is in the color Bear to Comment. And then after that, for the liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using Jouer's lip cream, and this is in the color Noisette. That's pretty much it. My face doesn't look dry or anything. It looks matte, which is what I wanted. So this is what the final look ends up looking like. I really like the whole matte look. I actually haven't done just a whole matte look without any highlight or anything in a really long time. So I don't know, I really like it, and it gives me 90s vibes for sure. And I really hope you guys enjoyed me showcasing the reformatted packaging of the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I absolutely love the new packaging. It's bigger. The eyeshadows smell like coconut. Super happy about this. Once again, thank you so much Too Faced for sending this my way. Like I told them, this is one of my favorite palettes, so I really do appreciate that you guys sent me the reformatted version. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys do stay and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.